Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Olfactory factory LLC order. Okay, so basically you can cancel your order very easily. You just need to visit on their return policy page. Okay, and I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can see their return and cancellation policy says if order is not shipped, okay, you can cancel your order. If order is already shipped, you can cancel your order only by, you can say, like using their email format. Okay, so basically this is the email and you need to compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. This is the email format, and you need to compose an email regarding order cancellation, and in the order you need to provide your order number, in the order date, and your name, your email ID by which they can verify your order. Okay, and in the subject box you need to provide like request to cancel your purchase order, and you need to ask you need to provide your, you can like reason why you want to cancel your order, or you can take help from ChatGPT. It will easily generate your cancellation request. And once all done, you need to send the email at their email I will provide in the video description box. The link is in our video description box. Okay, and once your email is done, and if possible they will cancel your order. Okay, if not, then they will not going to cancel your order, and you have to return your product after you can like delivering the product. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.